Okay. So I see new faces here. Welcome aboard, guys. Loving the new faces. I asked you guys to look for longs in the chat right here. A couple of times actually. Look for long entries. If you found a long entry, you should be good. The only one I can see was this auto block, but there's literally nothing you can enter on except this. Nothing really. I expected to go to this BPR right here, but it's been a lot. It's been so choppy. It's so choppy, guys. But it is expected because today is one of the days before NFP. So NFP protocol says, and if you're a real trader, you must follow this protocol. Okay, if you trade outside, if you avoid this protocol and you still trade, you just addict to the market. Okay, you just look at trades because the market is pumping. You go long, your market is dumping. You go short, market is pumping. You go long. Look at this chop. Okay, this is what's been going on in the past an hour and a half, right? And these are not small candles. Each candle is like 40 points, 60 points. You're not going to be able to handle that. If you do micros, if you take a micro and say, "Oh, I'm smart. I'm not gonna do minis today. I'm gonna do micros." Sorry guys, today I'm not even supposed to be streaming. But if you take a micro and say, "Oh, I'm a smart guy. I'm gonna take a micro." Worst case scenario, I'll lose $254, right? And then you target something absurd like this. You'll be in profit for a little bit, and then it goes against you, and then it comes again, you go long again, because you're trading micros, you're not gonna lose a lot, and then you lose another $250, and then you go long again, and you lose another $250, and eventually you just blew that account using micro then, alright? So the way to trade micros is it's not a cheat sheet to trade, okay? Trading micros is good for risk management, but on a day where the market delivers price the way it should be, okay? So, NFP protocol, I already mentioned it in the announcement, but it tells you that you trade Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday AM session maximum, okay? So, Wednesday PM session plus Thursday is not tradable, okay? You might see some nice dumps and pumps like this. You should not be participating, okay? Take the day off. You're gonna blow accounts trying to catch this dump. You see, like a clear trend, right? You're in a short bomb, you got stopped out. You're in a short bomb, you got stopped out. You're in a short bomb, you got stopped out. And then you're not gonna take a short anymore, then it runs without you. Then you'll be like, okay, finally, it broke everything. You take a long, it goes against you, and it just chills like that, okay? The reason is that nobody tells you why we do this. This is ICT, by the way, is because Wednesday PM and Wednesday PM is actually Asia, like, and Thursday PM is London, like, okay. If you're an Asian trader, if you trade Asia and very successfully, Wednesday PM, so yesterday was great for you. If you trade London, today is great for you. But if you're a market open kind of trader, all you need is volatility, blah 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 blah, you're gonna get smacked every single time, even on a beautiful trend, okay? So just stay sideways. What you can do is, to satisfy your inner needs and stuff, you can buy an eval for free for like $15 or something, and try to pass it. Worst case scenario, you lose $15. But if you do unfunded, worst case scenario, you lose your funded account, and you paid money on it, and all your hard work, and your active trading days, and blah blah blah, payout. It's just not necessary, okay? Wait these 2 days, okay? Just wait these 2 days. Your P&L, your payouts will thank you, okay? So, there we go, we hit the BPR. I'm sorry, I'm trying to fix my headphones. I'm telling you guys, find entries long here. And I didn't say the target, but once we're in the stream, we were somewhere here. I told you, target is BPR, okay? This is what I wanted for a bit. But pretty much, I'm not gonna say this is a trade because I didn't click the buttons. And there was really not a beautiful entry unless you're really scoping. So we had this 1 minute effigy that was being respected. And that's where I started to say look for longs, but it went up so close, getting back down, and then it just chopped. Pumps again, auto block, tried longing there, it just failed. Went above, and the third time was the charm, and this is exactly what I'm thinking about. You will be right. You will know where the market is going. But what will happen is that you will what will happen is that you will face high resistance on your way up. So you're long right here, okay? You went wee boom, wee boom, wee boom. And at this moment, you're mentally destroyed. You're not going to leg clip for long, so you're going to be looking for shorts right here. And eventually it goes your way, okay? So you'll have to have patience, like an Asian trader. Sorry, I'm not being racist. I mean the Asia session traders, or patience like the London traders. Patience, okay? Otherwise, you're going to get smacked. Now let's leave everything here and see if we can find another sell. I'm not looking to take any trades, to be honest with you, today. We did good this past week and I want to keep it there, but let's have a look if the market is offering anything. So as usual, we start with the hourly. I'd rather take this here. Okay, so the hourly looks neutral, right? Looks neutral, so the intraday buys for me right now is neutral. Anybody going long, anybody going short, they're both making money or they're both getting smacked on the assets, right? Now, high time frame, let's check 4 hour and above. 4 hour looks very bearish. 4 hour looks very bearish. We respected these end dogs. We wicked above, we filled this FEG, we spaced down, we formed another one right here, and we respected it. But to what extent did we respect it? Let's have a look. We respected the midpoint. Well, we came away from one tick from the midpoint. That is some bearish. That shows a bearish institutional order flow is still being played. Okay, it's so bearish. It's unable to consequently encroach into the midpoint of this FEG. Okay. It was if it touches it and then spaces down, I would say yeah, we're bearish, but we're not that bearish. But coming so close and failing, that's a signature in price. And then, so I'm bearish on the high time frame. The high time frame stay bearish. I don't even need to check the daily. Daily is also very bearish. Now we come back. We did the 15 minutes. How about the 15 minute? The 15 minute. Do we have anything? 15 minute we do have these Oris which I have drawn already. What else? Do we have any BPRs? Nope. We have a high, lower low. So this lowest red candles. Well, in my case, black candles are your breaker block. This is a high time frame breaker block that is in line with the high time frame scope of analysis of ours. We also have another breaker right here, which is probably an hourly or something. You have two breakers right here, okay? So will you be looking for longs that beyond this area or not? Let's go up to the 5 minute and see if we have anything. On the 15 minute I don't really see anything going. 5 minute we have the same breaker block, but to refine a little bit, this is the lowest one and this is in fact the breaker block. So we have stacked nested breaker blocks in this area, right? That's not for me an entry, that's a target for me to target. Okay? If I'm looking for longs, I'm targeting this. Right? We do have this 5 minutes as well. And from there we'll see how it goes, but pretty much if I'm looking for a long, I'm looking to long this area. So something like this, nice 60 points or something. But keep in mind, we're back on the 1 minute and we do have this BPR we were targeting. Once we bypass this BPR, because it's a bullish one, once we close above it, that's my signature to start looking for some longs, okay? But we're not going to look right away. We have to find some entries. We have a low, lower low, higher high. Nope. Higher high, yes. So this is a breaking block. But this is the highest one. But it's beyond these lows, okay? So this is a fractal of its own. So low, lower low, higher high, okay? That demarks this breaking block from right here. We have a low, lower low, higher high. What I mean by higher high is that we close above this breaker high. Okay? So now this is a 1 minute breaker that we can be looking to participate in a long if we're really interested in a long. But But this BPR right here, BPR means balanced price range. So this area is very balanced. The price will find it hard to crack through, and if it does so, it means the price is willing to go further than that. Okay? So we came to a once. You see this displacement down. It did its job. It came once again, displaced again. Came very short of it, failed. Came one more time, and its strength going down is getting lowered by every single time we get to. Okay? We have another breaker right here. Low, lower, low, higher, high. So our highest green candle is this low right here. So this is our breaker block. These two consecutive candles is your breaker block, but I only use the highest one because it's already fat. It's already big. You don't want to get lost in the analysis on the lipstick on the chart. So here we have a breaker, we still failed to break above the BPR. I want to see a break above the BPR, come back down, we'll find an entry. Right now we still respected it, so any retracement here, I'm not looking for this. Okay? Oh, we have a breaker, we have another breaker. This is really strong, put this place, let's go long. No, you have to see what the price is doing. And we have this relative minor buy side right here that we took, and another one right here. Now my favorite entries are breakers with a BPR in between. So do you have a BPR somewhere around here? Nope. What's ES doing? Let's see if we form a SMT right here. Let's see if NQ takes out the slow while ES doesn't. That's a bullish SMT that we can helps us. Doesn't make us take a trade. It helps us with the narrative that we will say, okay, you guys might be on the right track. You might be on side this time for the longs. Sorry about that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm trying to speak as loud as I can because there's a match going on. They love football matches in Turkey. I don't know. You want to see confirmation. You want to see 1 minute FEG get hold. Right now, all this. It's all balanced. There's not a single imbalance or insufficiency to be taken out. Now, we took out both lows, so literally there is no SMT right now, and thus, so if you're looking for longs, you're just getting wrecked right now. I want to see price come back down, maybe take a minor swing, go back up, respect 1 minute FEG, and we probably enter on the next one. Yeah? If you have any questions, let me know. Today is not a really good place to go to take any trades. It's better to just taper and see what price is doing. We do have this small BPR right here as well. How do I draw BPRs? Simple, guys. Very easy. There's a big candle, not a big candle, doesn't have to be a big candle, just a bearish FEG, a bullish FEG. The place where they both intersect is your BPR. Okay? We're respecting it. Great. We're respecting the bearish one as well. Great. So what do we do, Luke? Well, we're expecting this. It's going to be high resistance, both sides, up and down. So we did target this BPR, and then look, that was pretty much the high. Here we just formed high, higher, high, lower, low. These two candles is now your breaker block to go short. If you're looking for a short, here is your breaker block. Same thing with ES. You don't chase price. You don't chase price. You wait for the entry. The entry will come to you. I promise you, it will come to you. So now I have bullish breakers and bearish breakers. You see what I mean? Let's see if this BPR gets respected. I see it going down here right now. And we have SMT at the highs, guys. We have SMTs at the highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. I did not see that. I did not see that. But EQ took its high. EQ took its high, so there's divergence between the two entities. This high. Sorry. My bad. Oops, there isn't. Yeah. I was like, there is no SMT. Now there is. I'm sorry, guys. This high is this high right here. We didn't take on any either. Back to this BPR. If we flip this BPR and close below this, we'd form a breaker with a BPR. That's my favorite setup to take. And it goes with the high time frame bearish. So this, once we close below this low right here, this becomes a breakable. I'm leaving it as it is right now until we close below. We have SMTs right now. Let's see if it holds. Let's go ahead and move this. And this. BPR held, just formed SMTs at the lows. Now, if we bullish still, we're going to see 1 minute if we get respected or a bearish one being disrespected. But at this moment, I'm looking to look for a short somewhere around this area. We have a unicorn setup right here. Let's see if the risk allows us. So if we put stop loss 10 points is impossible. It has to be above the breaker, so 25 point stop. So I would recommend taking this with micros. If we do end up taking it, yeah, it's a bit much. Well, it's bad. But we have SMTs right now. I'm not taking the trade. When I take the trade, you guys will see it. But this SMT, if we didn't have SMTs, I would be taking the short. But now this here, we have a divergence between the two. It's a bullish one. Yes, I see it. If we flip this FEG, we might find an entry to go along to this area. Something like this. We'll risk 5 points or something. Oh, yeah. Today's a hard day. We have this BPR. Notice how they intersect. We're respecting it. Much clearer on ES. If we're bullish, we have to go above it and close above it. If we're bearish, we will respect it, just like we did here. We never go above it. Because our high time frame is bearish, I expect this SMT to be broken. But we need everything at our arsenal today because today is not a day where we should trade. I know this may be confusing, but I promise you I'm trying my best. Beautiful respect. So, since it's respecting, do we follow in? No. We have our opportunity to go short if we make this breaker, retest, below it, close below it, retest. We take the short in this BPR, down. If you're confused to know if you're gonna long or short, what's the trend? What's the trend right now? It's bearish. Okay, so if you're scared of longing or shorting, you don't know which one because you can frame justify both sides. Go with the trend. So trend is bearish. We go with short. Simple as that. You make yourself objective. Well, look at this high resistance, guys. Look at this high resistance. Tomorrow will be much cleaner. Wish we got tapped into this area. I just want this SMT to go away. Once this SMT goes away, we go. If you have any questions, write in the chat. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Notice here, guys. Notice what we just did now. We just formed immediate rebalance. This immediate rebalance. This means the market is going to go fast and high velocity and very far. Okay, this right here. This area right here. We opened, we closed, we opened, we wicked the open of the previous candle and we closed again at the start. This means the market is ready to move very fast down, very far and very fast. Okay, you can expect big candles right here. Expect big candles. But how much is it going to go down? We don't know. We just know it's going to be fast candles, very fast, and big candles. Okay, that's great. This is the strongest signature in the market that we can ever get in Bison ICP. So did we close below? Not yet. So still no entry. We're respecting the beeper from below. I kind of want to tap one entry here, to be honest with you. A FOMO kind of entry, but what would be our risk? 10 points. Kind of want to tap in here. Kind of want to tap in. We'll give this a shot. We only risk $200 on this trade, okay? Hopefully ES breaks its SMT because that will probably destroy us, guys. There you go. Big fast candles. You see that, guys? Big fast candles. And our TP is this. Midpoint of this order block. Damn, we didn't get filled in. That was 20 points. That was 2 hour trade. Damn. But you see the market was doing nothing except we expected everything we wanted. This right here, immediate rebalance. You see what the market did afterward in the aftermath because of this candle. Close, open, displays to the previous candle, open right there. Come back close below. You expect huge candles, very fast, very volatile, very high velocity, and very displaced. Boom. We got the entry. I just didn't get the second entry when I put my limit order, unfortunately. If you took that, well done. Can you please explain why the FEG around 2160 is a BP? I don't see it goes in 2160. 2160. This one? Of course. So here we have this bearish FEG. We have another one. We have a bullish FEG right here. Okay. This is not supply and demand where you use this FEG once and just never again. Or once you retest it, second, third time it loses strength. This is still a balanced price range. And this is a much stronger one because this area has been balanced. It delivered buy side, came down, filled it, delivered it again, back, back, back. So this is a balanced price on its own, but for easier visualization, you can wait for these displaced candles, FEGs, and just call it there. You see how it's been respected? Does that make sense? There's no supply and demand, so you can use previous ones to cope that area. There you are. If you're unsure, always just use the latest ones. Use the most clear ones, like this one. Pump and then dump. Boom. This is a BPR. Held and beautiful. We were looking for closure above for longs. It did never give it. We had a breaker block formed. We wanted to short it. It didn't give it to us because this BPR was in the way. I wanted to short this, but my stop loss would be very, very far away. Like, it will be 30 points. I don't want to risk 30 points on a stream for you guys. And what else is there? There was an SMT that was blocking us. Okay, but this here trade here, if you guys took it, well done. I tried to get it. That's right. You guys saw the limit. See how it's fast, this place? This signature right here means the market, the algorithm is like in a hurry to move away. It's in a very, very, very hasty speed to just get out of this area. And that was your signature on that chart. We took our sell side. Right now I see that just the 20k figure, maybe we'll go for it. That's all I see right now. I'll keep it like 10 points above just in case. And the actual one, yeah, we can keep it like that. Oh, it's also, oh shit, it's also sell side as well. I'm gonna use the earliest one just in case it does something. Go September lows. Yeah, it's just running, guys. It's just running. Anybody in the short right now? Anybody in the short? I couldn't get in, didn't fill me in. This is the earliest I can get into a short, guys. On ES looks nicer. We're looking for the lowest red candle, or back in my case, this is the lowest one, so we'll use this one. And we'll extend it along. If we were taking it straight, I don't know what the targets for ES is. God damn. I'll have to charge my left headphone. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'll mute myself for a bit because it's very loud, I know. Alright, I charged my headphones for like 15%. Alright guys, so we have an SMT, we have a huge SMT, but I don't see it holding, to be honest with you, even though it's a major liquidity pool, major liquidity pool. Yes, took it and didn't. So what I want to see is, I want us to come into this breaker, and instead of entering right away, I want to make it consolidate a bit, take out a high, displace down, take an effigy as it's doing so, and then we'll enter there. Kind of like a FOMO trade down, okay? Just because of that SMT, I'm glad I saw it. At the moment it's bullish. You guys are free to tell me if you guys looking for longs, looking for shorts. Tell me your ideas. We can make it central. We can write in the show. You can tell me my ideas. It's 5 minutes. It'll be much better than the 1 minute. It's very bullish right now. The daily. I draw it, but it didn't show. Look, right here. Look at this. So ES took it slow, this slow right here. NQ didn't. He also took this slow. NQ didn't. See? That's a major SMT. That's an alien SMT. So in all honesty, longs do look good, in my opinion. But this area is a very good short area, so I don't know. So now we formed a high. I want us to form another high. Take it, displace down. As it's breaking down, I want it to invest in a PG or a breaker or like anything, so we can follow in the trade on that. Here we have a BPR. Linda, you can see, I think. We can even be looking for longs actually. I want to get rid of this for now. Look guys. Is this an immediate rebalance? It is, but it's a weak one. Because this candle, the body didn't close near the high, it closed away, above the midpoint. Above the midpoint. So it's a immediate rebalance, that means the price is straight. I want it to go somewhere, but it's not as strong as this one. This is a textbook one, look. Could it take? Could it take? So if we're bearish, really bearish, I want to see weakness high and then displace very down. As it's doing so, I want it to at least invest this effigy because we don't have any else. Can't believe we missed this trade. It was 0 drawdown, guys. 0 drawdown. If anybody caught it, you're a beast. That's 100 points. Alright, it's displacing, but it didn't take a high out. Our model is we have a breaker block. If you want to get inside of it, we can enter exactly at it if the liquidity is not taken. But since the liquidity is taken, we have to be extra cautious. For that, I need to see the price still willing to go down. And for that, I need to see a swing how it will form, like so. And then wick it, space down, like this black candle. And not just displaced, it has to break an opposing idea, right? If it does so, great, you can take the long. Sorry. So you let the price tell you what it wants to do. Also from the swing low, so maybe we potentially get a breaker. Look, see, because of this balance, immediate rebalance, the price is going up. Now it's touching this. We're bullish at this moment. I want to see how it reacts here. Does it tap it and retrace, or does it close above it and continue? If so, then what we can do is we wait for a breaker. We don't have really a breaker, but we do have. If 1 minute confirmation holds, we can maybe target this BPR, something like 19 points. Let's wait for a clearer setup. So what did it do? It wicked that and it's displacing down. Right? On the 1 minute, it's not looking like a displacement because the candle opened and it went up and down. But if I go on the 15 second, you see that it's starting displacement down. And if only immediate rebalance on the 1 minute, on the 30 seconds. So it displaced, but it's not a strong displacement, not a single red candle, and it did not invest any efficiency. Look what it did, you see? Now we're bullish. Now we're bullish. Now we're bullish. Now we're bullish. We see if it goes above this BPR. We'll wait for a breaker block and we'll take it. Oh, we have a 30-second breaker block right here. These candles. Tap the right. Close above it, tap the right. Oh, wish I saw that. Alright, close above the BPR. Good. We're bullish now. Our next line of target is the same BPR we're shorting from. We just need to wait for a confirmation. Does this 1 minute hold? Once it's formed, of course. So there is something people on internet or YouTube and stuff like that, they say they trade this. They say if a candle doesn't have a wick, wait for the candle to come back down, give it a wick, and then go long, like a tosu kind of. I don't know if that works, but if you had a chance with it, maybe. I have to churn about it. Alright, I got my headphones charged a bit again. Alright, so I like what I'm seeing right now. Inside is BPRs and stuff, very good place to go longs. But what I'm waiting for right now, look, we formed the low. I want to see if we form another low, display sub, and the first breaker we take, we'll take a long up there. Because you might be just looking to firm more in and go long, right? But then you're going to be chopped in this. When we get our confirmation, we might be a little bit late, but at least we will not be in a chop, and at least our probability will be much higher. I don't want it to keep taking lows though. I want it to form a low. Oh wait. This is the low right now. This 30-second breaker, there's a hold. We can base the trade here, to be honest with you. Yeah, 10 points, that's not bad. Alright, I want to take a long. Hold on. We'll target $200 on this trade. Just to give it a try. Just give it a try. Okay? Just to test the water. Right? So I trade the breakers on the 1 minute. I never do it on the 30 seconds, but this is the best we got right now. Let's have it up. Do we get stopped out? It's only $100. Let's see. We'll probably get stopped out. It's just to test the waters, right, guys? Just to test the water. Actually, the stop loss has to be below the breaker, which is it's more than 10 points. It has to be below these candles. So it has to be somewhere here. But I'm only risking 10 points on this trade. I don't want more. We're probably going to get stopped out. It's fine. We tested the waters. It doesn't look like it's... Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. You can target this BPR for 1-to-1. But let's see if we continue. You can target this BPR for 1-to-1 to dance with you. Maybe we can take, because we're really in a bad trade right now. Really bad trade. So maybe you guys think we should just close the trade there? Where's my TP, by the way? It's not letting me put a TP. Alright, we're definitely gonna get stopped out now. Maybe not. Maybe not. That was beautiful. That was weird though. That was weird. Let's go for 1-1 right now. Because by then we'll have a breaker. We have a breaker. Nope. I wish this low was just one tick below. I don't know, guys. I don't know. He doesn't look ready to go yet. He has to take a low out to form a breaker for us to get on. And if he does take a low out, it means our stop loss is going to get hit. So it's bad to get a touch on the BPR here. If he gives it to us without stopping us out. Yep, damn it. That was a fun trade though. We came one tick from stop loss and almost at TP. That was a fun trade. Alright, yeah. BPRs are, all BPRs are holding, guys. It doesn't look bullish. We have this breaker right now. Close below this BPR, we're gonna drop so hard, guys. We're gonna drop so hard if we close below this BPR. We make a trade like this. We close below this BPR, we're gonna go so far down. We invest this FEG, we displaced up, we invest a lot of PD arrays that are bearish. We'll see. We did not really invest it yet. We did not close below. Hold on. I want to take a stab short, to be honest with you. But I need a better entry. Let's wait for this candle to close. If it gives us BPR, we'll take that BPR, okay? It's not BPR yet, but it may be. Well, stop moving my BPR, guys. Stop moving my BPR. Looks very nice for the shorts, guys. I kind of want to film it in. I don't know. Alright, 15 seconds. We will be forming this BPR. If we touch it, we're going to get the short. We'll take the short. Okay, 10 seconds. Our stop loss. Oh, I'm on trade away. That's why it's not letting me put my TPs and stuff. Alright, yes, looks bearish. It came back below its breaker. Let's see if it taps us in. Go for two hour trade and then maybe hold. If we go to 5 minute again, we're bearish. It's gonna close in 3 seconds. This one should give us a pump, right? Should give us a pump to go entry. Ah, we're bearish as hell. Try this with micros, guys, because the stop loss has to be at least 30 points. It has to be at least 30 points, which is a lot. Tampa City. We have a volume imbalance, so maybe we might get filled there. I don't know. Maybe we should take this with micros, guys. Alright, it might top this and run away, guys. So if you want to enter here, if you're on micros, you can safely enter here. This is low. Order block, still holding price. I don't want to show the yes. Here we go, guys. Here we go, moment of truth. I just don't like my stop loss, it's just too big. Guys, please take this with like 5 micros. So your stop loss is like, you only lose $200 on this trade, okay? I'm going to be losing around 600, I think. I will fill it. And a better entry would be here. So if you're in 5 micros here, you can always add 5 the rest here with a stop loss above this breaker right here. Yeah. I just hope we're right because it's so conflicting. It is a unicorn entry. This may be a bad enter 5 micros here, maybe add 1 here, and then the rest at the breaker right here. Stop loss has to be above the breaker, so this is our breaker right here. It's just too big for me. Too big. We close above this BPR, we close above this BPR. Hopefully we close back again below it. You do not want to support it at all. If you support it, this trade all goes to counter. The trade is worth it. It's done at 66. It's almost 70 points. We just need to close below this BPR, guys. Otherwise, we're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed. Close below, thank God. That's the first good thing we saw so far. But it's not enough. We have to invest this FHG right here. We have to invest it. Once we invest it, we go. We have to invest it. Feel free to get out whenever you want, guys. It didn't invest it, you know. He has to invest this FEG. We're screwed. At least we're not the BPR. Five seconds, guys. Nope, looks like it's going to close above it. Closed above it, but below the BPR. Back to 50-50 right now. Oh God. God damn, bro. No way. No way. No way. hope you guys took it with micros, not many like me. So I can be down 400, but you guys could be up. Could be down 250. That BPR held like a prick. But this is today, guys. This is really hard trading on a Thursday before NFT. Maybe we're gonna look at another video. Oh no! Did we re-attempt this, guys? I wanna re-attempt. I don't know. Let's re-attempt. That was just a stop hunt, right? We just got stopped out like a tick. It still looks bullish, still looks very bullish, but I'm fine taking one more loss. Again, take it with 5 micros. You see how this actually pumps against us and then it drops the next candle? This is how it is on an NFP protocol week. Nobody wants to listen, everybody wants to trade, but take some partials at 2 hour maybe. At this low. I don't know. It's gonna go all the way down. It's still bullish. But we did invest this. We did invest that. The thing that made us lose the trade, we invested finally. ES is bullish. NQ is just dropping. Don't be surprised if we do up, down, back up. Don't be surprised. I just want to risk less on this trade though. Hold on. I can't be taking 400 buck triple losses every time. Really calm guys. Really can't be taking that many losses. If you're on micro, you can safely keep it there because you'll maybe losing 200 bucks. For me, this is around about 300 bucks maybe. Did form this BPR though. Did form a BPR here, guys. This is gonna screw us. I didn't want to trade today, I just wanted to taper it with you guys, but unless we close below this BPR, it's still bullish. Okay? So everybody pray that we close below this BPR. Just start running now. I don't want to risk more than that. I'm risking 200 bucks on this right now. Yes, that points. We're already up 230 points, so this is 1-to-1 right now. You see? You see, guys? You see this stupid price action on a... Did you guys see that? Did you see that? I feel sorry for people trading for NFT. I mean, we are technically, but it's just an evil. I don't mind using it. First partials here, guys. Because below the BPR, oh thank God. And we did a manipulation wick as well. That's good, that's a good sign. Alright, let's just more than we're doing. I don't know when I can go back up to this high again. That's not good. But you can absolutely do it. You saw he did it in a second. I think Trump is speaking maybe. I hope it's like a dump. I hope he says something bad. So this is $500 right here. One partial here, one partial the midpoint of this way, one more partial here, and we'll see when we'll stop loss to break even. At the moment we can move it to break even, but the wicks, guys, the wicks is just gonna kill you. Let's just de-risk a little bit. We just de-risk 30%. We're at 400. SMTs, guys, SMTs, please, thank you, take this low out. For the love of God, don't leave an SMT. If it does, we're gonna get stopped out. For the love of God. At this moment, you can move your stop loss to break even. In my honest opinion, we can de-risk until this SMT goes away, guys. Once this SMT goes away, we can move the stop loss back up. Please, take the low, please low, please take the low, please take the low. I don't want to say please. Oh, it's not even that low, it's this low. This is a huge SMT, guys. Move to break even, guys. This is not looking good. It's not looking good, guys. Stop loss at break even because this SMT can destroy us, guys. You see? Where's the snow? Oh, it's that one there. Hold on. Okay. If we take out that low, we're good. If we take that low, we should be good. We're at $500 right now. Please take that low. Please take that low. Look at me being emotional right now. Yes, I take that low. We no longer have to sit these guys. Oh, thank God. No, but we still do. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Anyway, we're up 750. We can move to break even. Feel free to get out whenever you want. TP1 has been hit. TP2 has been hit. Partials out, guys. No stop loss to break even. See if we can get another one. We're up 800 right now. Quali says shorter, so I'm shorting, guys. Alright. SMT is still, guys, at this low. Wait, where's the low? No SMTs, no SMT. We're good, guys. We're good. We're up 900. We're up 1K. All partials have been hit, guys. Trail. All partials has been hit, guys. All partials has been hit. Feel free to close whenever you want. You don't have to be right to make money. You don't have to be right to make money. This is what I expect it to go. But you can do it in a run, or you can go back up to break even, stop us out, completely back down. We're up 1K, guys. Okay. We're up 1K right now with all the losses we did. So we literally. No SMTs, so we should be still good. Trail. Trail. Ah, stop lagging. Trading view, stop lagging, trading view. Take out that low, we move our stop loss to this area. Yep, move that about 1k. We're securing about 8% of the move. If it stops us out now, it's fine. We're going to be missing out on like 17 points, it's fine. We'll be already catching 54 point on this trade, guys. We might get a wake up that stops us. Maybe we get a wake up, we'll see. Come on, you can do it, baby. You can do it. Volume imbalance, you might want to fill it. Come on, give one big drop down. One big drop. Let's go. Beautiful. Trail more, guys. Trail more. If we get stopped at this point, I'm fine. I'm happy. We'll make like 900. Trail a little bit more. You might stop us out, then go down. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Immediate rebalance. Please not, yes, it did not immediate rebalance that shit. Beautiful. Oh no, it did, it just did. It's gonna pop. Securing more profits, guys, securing more profits. Securing more profits. And we stopped out. Damn. It should continue going down, to be honest with you, but I don't know. We're good, we're secure. Drop the winners in that shot, guys. That was a nice trade. If you're still in the trade, it's fine. You might get that TP, guys, but I'm happy where we got out because it invalidates the trade for me, to be honest with you. By the way, that first shot, like, look, we entered a trade here, right, at the break, at the BPR, was it? At the BPR, right here. Our stop loss was, this is the breaker block, the high of it, so this is the high. We would not have got stopped out if we left it there. Look, this is the high of the breaker block. Like, get out of the way. Guys, we got stopped out, dude. That sucks. Our stop loss is supposed to be above the breaker block, but right here. It would have been one tick away. But 34 points? Damn. So we would not have had this loss, guys. But that loss was like $100 for me. So we should have been up 1400, but all Gucci. Yeah, that was choppy, guys. But guys, I think we did very good today on such a weird, such a hard day to trade, guys. Even for the best traders. Yeah, NFP is like Shelly said, it's non-farm payroll. It's the news that happens tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. and it's the most volatile one, okay? It's so strong, it takes both sides of the market, and that's why all the smart money people don't want to be in the market today. They don't want to be in the market because they'll big stop down. So they will wait for tomorrow and then they'll take their decisions. Because even if your stop loss is like, let's say you longed here, or you shorted here, NFP can do this. Right, it opens here. Boop, boop, boom. Take both of you out. Let's see if our trade plays out though. Let's see if our trade plays out. If anybody's still in the trade, you might be able to hit TP. Do you always set a stop loss above or below a breaker? Yes. Normally my stop loss is 10 points. Okay, 10 points. But in the past week, it's so hard to get 10 point stop loss. Normally that's why I trade PM session, because it allows you to take 10 point stop loss. But it's either 10 points or a breaker high or low. Okay? So if we left this breaker at the high right here, above this breaker, where's the breaker? If we kept our stop loss right here like this, we would have not got stopped out. But that's huge. That's 2x what I wanted to risk. So it's, I want to risk 10 points, right? This would have been 33 points. So that's too much. If I lose this trade, I lost 400 bucks. That would be hard for me to make it the next trade. But if I lose 210 points, that's 200 bucks. I'm fine losing 200 bucks. I can make that second trade because we're always looking for big TPs. And there you go, guys. TP here. Maximum TP here. We just got trailed out. But that was only 17 extra points. 17 points is 17 times 4 times 5. Extra 340 bucks. Now, I would take the 900 bucks any day over extra 340 bucks that we may or may not get. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. TP here. That was my draw. And second draw got here as well. This draw did not take out yet. Oh, if you got trailed out, well done. If you still held the trade, it was an extra 17 points you could have went for. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Stop loss. I wanted to keep my stop loss above this thing, but I'm sure I was gonna get stopped out anyway, and I don't want to lose an extra 16 points for 16 points for. That was good. That was good for a day like this. Where's my account size? I have 250k, I have 100k, I have 50. No, I don't have 50k. I have 50k, but this was a 50k account eval. This was a 50k eval. Because with our style of trading, 50k is enough. Easy to pass, easy to go over the buffer. I'm risking 200 bucks. So if we lose 10 trades, all our trades are high quality. These are high quality trades. BPR, breaker block, high, low, breaker block, BPR is our best entries. You would have to lose 10 trades in a row to blow your account, right? You don't need that. I have a 250k account with 6.5k of drawdown, and I still use 200 bucks for drawdown for all the stop loss. Did you guys make money on this trade? Alright guys, my headphones are about to die again. Thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow we will have a nice session if God allows, God willing. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Take care, see you guys later. Have a good night.